Ever heard the saying, a family that plays together stays together? Well, what about a family that commits crimes together? Let me introduce you to the McCrary family, probably the sweetest bunch of criminals you'll ever hear about. Sherman and his son-in-law Raymond traveled across the country, not for the sights, but for the sweets, their targets. Donut shops and bakeries. Sounds almost cute, right? For years, they hit up shop after shop, living a life on the run, fueled by sugar and adrenaline. This isn't just a story about crime. It's a bizarre tale of family, loyalty, and a very specific craving for pastries. How did they pull it off for so long, and what finally brought their sugary spree to an end? We're diving deep into the whole wild story in our full episode dropping very soon. You won't want to miss this one, so make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. See you soon.